In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a pop-up video in Wix. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix editor, and once it loads up, I want you to head over to the left-hand side of the screen where you're going to find this side menu right here. From the side menu, I want you to click on the very first button, which says Add Elements. Click on that, and then I want you to go all the way down to Interactive right here. Then right underneath Lightboxes, go on Welcome, and then here you will find this Promotion Video Feature Lightbox. Click on it to drag it onto your website. Now, don't worry that it's taking up the entire kind of the website. We can change this. So the first thing you want to do is have just the video alone. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the text, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the right hand side here to remove this background by clicking Change Background, and then click on Settings, and then bring the opacity down to 0. That way we only have the video. From here, we can click on the video itself, and let's suppose that that's not the video that we want. We can click on the video to highlight it, and then go ahead and click on Change Video on the top left corner right here. From here, you can either upload your own video, or you can use a video by adding a link from YouTube, Facebook, Dailymotion, and so forth. In my case, I'm just going to stick with this video because this is just a tutorial. So if you scroll down a bit, you get playback options. I'm going to enable autoplays and in loop, just in case somebody wants to rewatch it when the video pops up. And yeah, there's also a bunch of different options that you can play with. You can set delays. So for example, if you want the video to pop up after like 5 to 10 seconds or whatever it might be, you can play around with those up here. But yeah, let's just close this, and then let's preview the website and see what the video pop-up looks like. And yeah, as you can see, that's what it looks like. It automatically pops up and it automatically plays. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add a video pop-up in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.